Burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by too much stress. It can make you feel tired, unmotivated, and overwhelmed. But there are ways to avoid burnout and keep your energy and happiness high. Know the signs. First, it's important to recognize the signs of burnout. These include feeling very tired all the time, losing interest in work or activities you once enjoyed, having trouble concentrating, and feeling stressed or anxious often. If you notice these signs, it's time to take action. Take regular breaks. Taking breaks during work or study is very important. Even short breaks can help your mind relax and recharge. Try the 25-5 rule. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Stretch, walk around, or just breathe deeply. This helps reduce stress and keeps you focused. Set clear boundaries. Learn to say no when you have too much on your plate. Setting limits between work and personal time helps your brain rest. Avoid working late every day or answering work messages during your free time. Your health and well-being come first. Prioritize sleep. Good sleep is one of the best ways to avoid burnout. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Sleep helps your brain and body recover. Avoid screens before bedtime and create a calm, dark, and quiet sleeping space. Stay active. Exercise is a natural way to reduce stress. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a 20-minute walk or stretching can improve your mood. Regular physical activity increases energy and helps you feel better physically and mentally. Connect with others. Talking to friends, family, or colleagues can help you feel supported. Sharing your feelings reduces stress. You don't have to face challenges alone. Building a strong support network is key to managing stress and avoiding burnout. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Simple activities like deep breathing, meditation, or focusing on your senses can calm your mind. Mindfulness helps reduce anxiety and improves mental clarity. Manage your workload. Break big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Make a to-do list and prioritize important tasks first. Make a to-do list, prioritize important tasks. Avoid multitasking because it can increase stress and reduce productivity. Focus on one task at a time. Take care of your nutrition. Eating healthy foods fuels your body and brain. Avoid too much caffeine or sugar because they can increase anxiety. Drink enough water every day to stay hydrated and feel energized. Ask for help when needed. If you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to ask for help. Talk to a manager, teacher, or a professional if needed. Getting support early can prevent burnout from getting worse. Burnout is serious, but you can prevent it by taking small, consistent steps every day. Listen to your body, rest when needed, and take care of your mental health. Avoiding burnout will help you stay productive, happy, and healthy.